Prol Motor presents Part 1 of Project G37.
Yeah, something happened to the grill. We went too fast. We blew it up already.
We tried drifting and
Look.
not good.
Hey guys, let me catch you up on a little bit of what's going on here. See, we picked up this G37 for a steal.
Small child.
We actually picked this up for $1,400 bucks.
Look at those exhausts.
But there's a catch. It's got a rod knock. So we decided to drive it home because it was drivable. Well, we didn't make it too far and we ended up towing it home that day.
And this is how the night ends. Drift. Oh, scraping it.
And just in case you guys didn't know what a rod knock was, Milton,
Yes, sir.
please tell our guests what a rod knock is.
I would be delighted. A rod knock is a deep rapping sound that comes from within the engine, caused by rod bearing wear or damage. The connecting rod bearings have excessive clearance, causing the metal to hit the crankshaft as the piston changes direction. This can lead to severe engine damage if not fixed.
So knocking sound, check. Severe engine damage, check. So let's go ahead and review the overall health of the vehicle. So overall, the body is in okay condition. It could be better. The interior really needs some work. The dash is destroyed. And some of the seats, well, as you can see, they're pretty rough as well. So, let's see what we need here. So far we need an engine, we need a dash, and we need some seats. Well, first thing is first, let's pull this bad boy out. Oh yeah, and this is Chris. He's my oldest. He's the one that actually bought the vehicle. He's the whole reason I'm stuck with this project right now. Oh, and Milton,
Yes, sir.
please tell our guests a little bit about the G37, just in case they didn't know about it.
Yes, sir, with pleasure. An Infiniti G37 is a luxury sports car that was produced by Infiniti, the luxury division of Nissan, from 2008 to 2013. It was available as a coupe, sedan, or convertible and had a 3.7-litre V6 engine that delivered 328 horsepower and 269 pound-feet of torque.
All right. It's another day.
Another day.
Yeah. You gonna get anything done today?
I try my best.
Oh yeah. Nice shorts, bro.
That's what a Master Tech wears.
Gotcha. So pulling the engine on this vehicle was pretty straightforward. Once you had the AC lines disconnected, the power steering lines as well, all you had to do is pull the harness off of the engine, make sure you disconnected the drive shaft and the transmission mount, and it was ready to come out. I'm actually very curious to find out what failed on this engine. So in the next video, I'm actually going to be taking the whole engine apart to see exactly where did it fail and what happened. So tune in if you guys want to see that.